And that's on being cute in my new PJs. Oh, I'm about to go shower and go to sleep. Yes.
Sammy on the beat, on the beat.
Hey Gems, it's a girl MissJemima, and we are back at it again with another video. So today, we are going to be doing a pajama sleepwear haul from Shein, and I am so excited. I don't know why, but I just have an obsession with like sleepwear now. I don't know, like I just want to get rich auntie vibes, like even in my sleep, y'all. And starting with this first number right here, I feel like she is giving. Y'all, this little cheap satin is doing something to my skin right now, doing something to me, and doing something to you. Don't play. Don't hate. You're interrupting my video. But yes, so as you can see, this is a two-piece set, and it comes with a robe, which I love. I've had a fascination with robes lately. I blame Aaliyah's face. I 100% blame her because she be looking real cute in her robes, and now I feel like I want more. So I love that this came in two pieces. As I model for you. Yeah, come on, come on, come on. Is it Valentine's Day? Like who am I serving right now? Me? Myself? I love that for me. Can you imagine? Freshly out the bath, moisturized, smelling good. I know I'm not the only one that spray perfume to go to sleep. I can't be the only one. Like, yes, I sleep alone, but still, I want to smell good for me too. It just makes me feel sexy. Like, I love that for me. So, yeah. So, this is it without the robe. It is a slip dress. It's a little tight, but that's all right. I feel like it still looks good. It looks so good. And I'm wearing a bra, so that's why the girls up here, usually they'd be down here. But I feel like either way, it's cute. Look it. Look it. So this is probably the most material I'm gonna have on for the rest of the video because I don't really like having a lot of clothes on me when I'm sleeping. I get hot really quickly, I sweat. So I don't want anything to like make me hotter than I already get. So enjoy me covered up right now because it's just gonna be less and less material as this video goes on. But yeah, this is the first set. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. 1, 2. All right, rush hour. But yeah, so this is it. I love it. Next. So this is the next set and I love it. Oh my God. Look at me. I love this. Oh, the color combination is popping. I adore this set. So the top is a little tight. It's a little tight. I feel like I probably would not wear this to sleep. I would wear this to like a pajama party, spending the night at a friend's house. Just something like that where I'm not at home, but I'm in sleepwear and I still need to be cute. Because I feel like this is perfect. But then to actually go to sleep, I'll probably wear like a sports bra and a shorts or something. Because yeah, the top feels a little more restrictive than I like for nighttime. And also, the little holes where the button goes are not as defined as I was like for them to be, and they're kind of falling apart. So I could see that playing an issue the more I unbutton and button this top. So since I doubt I'll actually be sleeping in this, this is more like a go out type of sleepwear item. I shouldn't have too many issues with that because she's not gonna be wearing that often. So, but this is cute. This is like going on vacation, sleepwear. You know, something like that. Like, it's so cute. You know, like girls' summer party, everybody taking a picture together, matching PJs. Like, this is what this is giving, and I love this. Like, I absolutely love it. So the top I won't be wearing much of, but these shorts, would definitely get a lot of wear. Love that for me. So cute. Look it. Y'all know I have a weird thing about shirts not coming down far enough, but I don't even care. Like, I love this color scheme so much. I love the print, everything about this. Love, love, love. Next. So this next set is pretty basic. There's nothing that pops out that's super special about it, but it is so soft and probably will be one of my most worn PJ set yet, just because it is so comfortable. It is so loose. Like, it's nothing to be like super cute in, as you can tell, like fupa hanging out, period. But it's just so comfy. I actually really like this, and it has these cute drawstrings on the side. This is cute. I love this. It's so basic and it's so homey. I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. I can tell when I walk, it's gonna ride up. So this is not one I would wear outside. What?
Bruh.
What is this? Oh my. Okay, Jemima, I need you to never do that again. Wow. Okay. Yeah, this is not one I'm wearing outside the house. Let's be clear. This one is never leaving this house. But inside this house, listen, she gonna be worn every other night. I am so grateful to have my own washing machine in the apartment because, listen, every other night I might be wearing this. Okay? Yes. Love this. All right, next one. So this next set is super cute. It's definitely giving more like chilling in some boxers kind of vibe, and I love that for me. These are clearly some short shorts, which I love. I pulled them up to give them a more high-waisted look, and this is how I would wear it personally. I'm wearing a bra right now, but without a bra, the girls might be hanging out from the bottom a little bit. I personally don't mind. Whether I'm at the house with a boo or whatever the case is, you know, if it was with a boo, you know, it's just easier access for him. So we do not mind at all. This is really cute. This I can take outside the house. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Eventually, these will ride up too and look like panties, but these are cute though. I'm loving the print. I feel like it's definitely making the set. And it's super comfortable. Me like it. Me like it. I said me like it. Love. Never knew what I was missing, but I knew once we start kissing, I found. Like, why does it say love here and in California up here? In 1998, like, what in the Generation X, Z, millennial, I don't know. 1998. Can I get 1991 or no? Ooh, I look good. Ooh, I look good. I done got me some slides, like some Adidas slides. Something like that. But this is so cute. I love this. Oh my God. I love this. What do you guys? So this is the next set, and I went ahead and took off my bra just because I wouldn't wear a bra with this anyways, so the bra wasn't giving like actual depictions of what it looks like, at least on me and for me. So letting the girls loose. But yeah, so this is the next set, and it's like this wannabe waffle material or texture. But even if it is like a fake waffle, it's still like soft. It's not scratchy at all. It's pretty thin, but it's very breathable. And I feel like once you stretch it out, you can actually see like in between the little holes and stuff. But I like this. It actually has a functional drawstring, so you can make this tighter or looser as you need it to fit. And the straps here are adjustable. I just push them all the way back so I can have as much like length up here as possible. And this is what she looks like, and this is super cute. I love the color. I love the fit. I love the texture. I love the feel of it. Who is bling blinging me? I love all of that. So this is definitely a winner in my book so far. So far, everything is a winner. I'm loving everything, which is terrible because it means I'm going to keep shopping on the Shein website. And I do not need to be giving Shein more of my coin. But y'all, I love this. Look it. This is so cute. And you got a little cheek. Just a little bit. Just a little shun. Love that for me. Yes. Okay. Next. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so cute. This is giving conjugal visits. Y'all know I love my Prison Bay prints. This is like borderline loungewear, but I mean, they were selling it as sleepwear and I will use it as such. This is so cute. Oh my God. I love this. It's not as cheeky. It's a lot more roomy. This material is that fake glossy poly and ester combination. But this is so cute and I love that it actually covers the girls. Like there's enough material here that it covers the bottom and the top. And it's so roomy but not like loose. It's just a perfect fit, perfect everything. Like I love this. Love, love, love this. Y'all, these are so cute. Oh my God. Are you dumb, 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 dumb? I love this so much. Oh my God, I can't wait to go to sleep tonight. Listen, oh, I want to do like, oh, you know what? I'm not even gonna tell you, but I'm planning a video right now, okay? Period. Oh my God, I'm gonna use my Necessaire body products. No, this is like luxury for me. You know how they're always talking about, you know, luxury, normalized luxury for Black women. Like, even though these are super cheap and like literally bottom of the barrel material, this is luxury to me. Like, I feel like a bad bitch. I want to use my most expensive perfume, my most expensive body care, and my cheapest pajamas. I know that sounds crazy, but I don't know why, but these just hit differently. Like, it really is just like boosting my self-esteem. Like, look at me. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look it. Oh my God. I love this. I love this so much. All right. Next. I think we're on the last piece. Yeah, last piece. Oh my God. The haul is coming to an end. That's so sad. Part 2 is coming. So this is the last set and it's super cute. It is this white material with red hearts on it. And I am obsessed with the ruffles. Look at the ruffles. Ding, 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 ding. Are they moving? Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. So these shorts are a little longer, not as cheeky, but they are so cute once again because of the ruffles. This bandeau portion is a little small, okay? It's a little small, but it covers enough. Like, this is a cute, innocent situation that you could wear when you're at Bae's house or whatever. I had something like this from Shein before, but the material was a lot softer and more vulnerable. This one's a little sturdier, so I feel like it'll last longer and the ruffles will maintain its shape a little better. But yeah, this is so cute. Like, do you die? Do you die? Y'all, Shein is not playing with these PJ sets, these sleep sets, and I'm just gonna keep stacking them because they're cheap, they fit pretty well, they don't, you know, break the bank, and it's something I can indulge in without, you know, breaking my pockets. I love that for me. But unfortunately, this is the conclusion of today's haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. You're the best, you're the best, and you're the best. Don't forget to try them out for yourself. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. As long as I've been doing YouTube, you think I'll remember the words, the phrase. Comment, like, subscribe, share. Follow me on Patreon. God, you know what? I'm saying too much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Toodles. And that's on giving up. And that's on being a quitter. And that's on being cute. In my new PJs. Oh, I'm about to go shower and go to sleep. Yes.